Welcome to Crystal's Creations. Good morning, everyone. I know I said I would give you an update. I'm a little late for last Saturday's snow, but not for this Saturday. What a beautiful morning. I'm out this morning to get the girls out and get them warmed up, give them some good warm food. We got them a treat. And I thought we'd take a little walk around the yard so you could see what it looked like with the snow. I think the garden is beautiful in the winter and in the summer. There's nothing prettier than a garden covered in snow. Well, maybe a garden full of vegetables. We didn't get too much, 1.5 to 2 inches, but it's so pretty. There's a little plastic left on the arch. You can see just a couple lonely collards that'll go to the girls today. Isn't that bamboo gorgeous? Okay, here we go. Let's go take a look at the greenhouse and get the girls up. We're inside the greenhouse, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the view from out of our big window. Not everyone has come out this morning. You can see they're peeping out the door, but I've got a secret weapon. Some leftover banana bread. Let's see if that gets everyone out. Would you like some banana bread? Here you go. Look, look, look. Here they come. Lulu's comb and Waddle are a little bit pale this morning. We'll have to keep an eye on her. All right, we'll head back into the house. It's windy and cold. You can see the bamboo is touching the ground from the weight of the snow and ice.